Lightyear launches production version of its flagship solar EV, renamed the Lightyear Zero. Have I even seen this before? Have I ever?
No, I don't think so. This is the first time I've ever heard of it myself.
The way they write the headline, Electrek writes the headline, like we should definitely know about this. Goes to show you. We got to read Electrek more often. During an online global premiere today, solar EV startup Lightyear unveiled the final production-ready design of its first vehicle, the Lightyear Zero, formerly known as the Lightyear One. They don't even want to call it the One now. They're like, no, Zero. Early days. After 6 years of development, the Lightyear Zero is available for order ahead of its first deliveries this fall. Lightyear is an EV startup based in the Netherlands, specializing in solar electric vehicles. From early on, the company has promised a range of 450 miles on a single charge from its first vehicle, an ultra-efficient flagship SEV, originally named the Lightyear One. Following durability testing last October, Lightyear claimed its SEV prototype would set a new standard in electrical vehicle efficiency for the 946 customers it's planning to sell to. That's not that many, but it's a place to start. I mean, solar EV sounds really exciting. It's just always charging, no matter where you are. Cars tend to be outside. I mean, I guess you're kind of screwed if you put it in the garage, but you can always plug it in too. But while you're driving it, it's charging. And now I don't have I don't have a solar panel car, but I do own a solar panel on the van, and it's not charging the van in that case, but other batteries inside, which become your house power in that van.
Sure.
And I mean, it feels really cool to be away from any power source, but to actually be having some type of power input. Of course, it's still not at the mega rate necessary to be your sole energy source. This car's covered in solar. Is it the future? Would you be willing to put up with these unusual looks in exchange for sun power? I think many would, if they can actually deliver it. But something tells me the car's probably not very powerful or something. It's got to be no free lunch, right? Well, somebody's got to pay the bill, pay the ticket. Solar technology can provide an additional 70 kilometers, approximately 44 miles, of additional range per day, and up to 11,000 kilometers per year.
That seems quite a lot.
It does. It does seem quite a lot.
For just like a roof
and hood
solar panel setup.
Yeah. So you're going to still be able to charge it, use as much of the solar as you want. It has a 60 kilowatt hour battery pack, delivering 625 kilometers of WLTP range on a single charge. Big time number. Big time numbers. But I don't know. It's so many startups in the space, and it seems really risky at this moment and hard. What? Starting price of $265,000. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. Well. Well, I mean,
there goes that.
Well, no, it starts to make sense to me now. I'm like, how are you doing all these things? And it's like, oh, well, costs a boatload, 255,000 euros. It costs a boatload, and who knows when you get it. Look at where it says delivery time. After you submit your order, a customer service team will contact you to guide you through all the practical steps prior to delivery and provide you with a delivery estimate. Yeah,
This is early days.
Yeah, it's early days. I mean, see if they tell them to ship us one for the studio over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll get that copper clay color. It's fine.
Okay.
I'll take it.